It is a floating Navy hospital equipped with 1,000 hospital beds, and it is headed to New York Harbor soon. President Trump confirming today that the United States Navy ship Comfort will arrive in the next week or so.
News 4's Chris Glorioso continues our team coverage to explain how this ship will help our region's hospitals that are right now at risk of being overloaded. Chris.
Well, this giant medical ship is not optimal for infection control, but it can still be a tremendous help because think about it. While we are expecting this surge of COVID-19 cases, there are still going to be typical hospital emergencies like heart attacks, car accidents, emergency surgeries. And this medical ship that's going to be docked in New York Harbor can handle a lot of that.
USNS Comfort can offer a full spectrum of surgical and medical services.
It is a Goliath ship with up to 1,000 hospital beds. The U.S. Navy now readying the USNS Comfort for deployment to New York Harbor. The vessel is undergoing maintenance in Virginia and needs to be staffed up with medics, but President Trump said it could be on the move in a matter of days.
They are in tip-top shape. They soon will be. They're getting ready to come up to New York. I spoke with Governor Cuomo about it. He's excited about it.
Though the medical ship is intended to help with the coronavirus pandemic, it is not intended to treat COVID-19 patients. Instead, the floating hospital will focus on patients with other ailments in order to relieve pressure at terrestrial hospitals, all expected to face a crush of coronavirus cases.
It will be in New York City Harbor. This will be, it's an extraordinary step, obviously, but it's literally a floating hospital, which will add capacity.
The last time the Comfort treated New York patients was 3 days after 9/11, when it docked at Manhattan's Pier 92 and spent days treating mostly first responders at Ground Zero. In 2017, the Comfort docked in Puerto Rico to help with Hurricane Maria relief, but the medical ship was not heavily used. As the Comfort prepares for its trip to New York, on the West Coast, the USNS Mercy is another hospital ship readying for a similar deployment. It's not yet clear where the Mercy will dock, but governors on both coasts are hopeful these maritime medical ships will play a major role, buying more time for hospitals bracing for a flood of COVID-19 cases. Now, it takes around 5 days to get these two floating hospitals stocked, staffed, and ready to go. You're right now looking at the west side of Manhattan, but if we come back, the Navy says these ships are currently experiencing and going through scheduled maintenance. They need to do that before they get going. And of course, tri-state governors are applauding the idea of bringing the Comfort here to New York Harbor, but they know they may well need a lot more, and that's why they're continuing to ask the Army Corps of Engineers to come up with ways to increase hospital bed capacity on the ground in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. We're going to see what they come up with there. For now, reporting live in Hoboken, Chris Glorioso, News 4 New York.